Okay, so on the left is the AliExpress pivotol. On the right is a Mattel pivotol with a movable waist. Most of the Mattel pivotals I have don't have this function. I have one in this skin tone, but she's too difficult to get to. So you can see, okay, so the weight, the Mattel is slightly heavier, just a few grams. This one is a little bit more lightweight, so a little bit cheaper plastic, but not that much. You can see that in the Mattel, the knee joint. This is the Ali knee joint. Pretty much the same. I think over time, although I have to say that I have dropped one of these on a hard surface and it broke. The knee joint broke. Now, but that's only happened once. And I've also broken a Mattel one, but this one, you know, I dropped it on a wood deck and it just, the leg came off. But it was pretty easy to fix. The arm joints and hand joints are pretty much the same as well. Joint is flexible and moves like this one. Oops, sorry, like that. And yeah, so they're I mean, if you're just looking for something to make your doll posable and you're not like, you know, gonna try to sell it, I would say that they are, I've used a lot of them because it's hard to find posable brown bodies. And so I've used them a lot and they work really well. So like I said, the only difference is a little bit of quality and the shininess. If you can see the Mattel, though they're not the same skin color, the Mattel versus the AliExpress is really shiny on the plastic. But they both have pretty visible seams on their legs. So I would say that, and they're almost identical in the torso. So I would say that actually this is just like a Chinese, one of the Chinese factories that make the Mattel pivotol, knocked it off and just used slightly cheaper plastic. Just another quick video. The thing you can see is that her head moves, but her head doesn't. That's the main difference.